The festive season is just around the corner, and we're sure you're thinking about getting a small car. What if we told you that you could get an attractive, innovative and affordable hatchback for the cost of a short auto or cab ride per day? The stylish hatchback we're talking about is Renault's Kwid, and it costs only 29 paise per kilometer to maintain. This isn't just marketing talk. Autocar India's recent car maintenance cost comparison study has shown that the Renault Kwid is the most affordable car to own in its segment. The total cost of maintaining the Kwid is 29 paise per kilometer for 60,000 kilometers. The Kwid is more economical to maintain than all its rivals, and this is irrespective of which version you buy. Renault offers two engine options, the 0.8 litre and the 1 litre, which can be had with an AMT automatic gearbox. All engines are extremely fuel efficient. What else do you get as a buyer?
The Kwid comes with a standard warranty of 2 years and 50,000 kilometers.
Renault is offering an optional extended warranty up to 5 years and 100,000 kilometers starting from 8,082 rupees. And you also get Renault's Easy Care prepaid maintenance program, which starts from 10,410 rupees. That's one exhaustive list, all the bells and whistles at an affordable price. Why else would over 3.5 lakh customers place their trust in the Renault Kwid? It's attractive, innovative and affordable.